Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We've been making a lot of videos lately, but today we're gonna be reading Piggie and Elephant. I am invited to a party, and if we have time, we're gonna read Listen to My Trumpet. So it's gonna be this one or 2-in-1 with both these books. We'll see. So I am invited to a Party by Mo Williams. Gerald! Look, look! I am invited to a party. Cool. It is cool. So the gray bubbles, Gerald talking, and the pink Piggie is. Will you go with me? I have never been to a party. I will go with you. I know parties. Party, 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 party. Wait. What if it is a fancy party? We must be ready. Really? I know parties. He knows parties. Zip, zap. Zap, zip. Fancy. Is this fancy? Very fancy. Party, 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 party. Wait, what if it is a pool party? A fancy pool party? We must be ready. I know parties. He knows parties. Zip zap. Zap zip. How is this? We will make a splash. Party, 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 party. Wait, what if it is a costume party? A fancy pool costume party? We must be ready. Zip zap. He had better know parties. Piggie's like, he better know parties for doing all this for nothing. Zap zip. Now can we go to the party? Yes, now we are ready. Well, that is a surprise. You do know parties. Party, party, party. Party. So it was a fancy pool costume party after all. And there is the pigeon. So do you guys want to listen to my trumpet? I think we might. Okay. So this book is called Listen to My Trumpet by Mo Williams. Gerald! Sit, sit, sit. Do not move. I have a trumpet. Do you want to listen to my trumpet? Yes, please. Here I go. No, oh no, her face is turning red. Blurk! Wait, that was not right. Not right at all. Blap, frip, brip, vrip. That is better. Better. Trink. Clack, grope. Drump. Yikes, that is not music. Grick. So now, Gerald's not saying that. He's thinking it. See, those circles, that's for thinking. So he's thinking, yikes, that is not music. Piggy sounds like my Aunt Molly with a cold. Spack, drack, twack, skack, prack, glack. And now the big finish. Blark, glark, quark, grark, slack, slark, smark, blap, zap, blap, blonk. Finished. Finished. So, what do you think of my trumpet? Your trumpet is yes? Go on. Your trumpet is loud. And your trumpet is shiny. And you hold your trumpet very well. And I'm waiting. Piggy, you are my friend, and I am your friend. So, I will tell you the truth. Your trumpet is loud and shiny, and you hold it well, but that was not music. Sorry. Gerald, you think I'm trying to make music? I'm trying to speak elephant. I want to sound like you. Oh, but Piggy, your accent needs work. I will teach you. Yay! Try more ick in your grick. Grick. So, happily ever after. And there's the pigeon. I hope you enjoyed. I'm invited to a party and listen to my trumpet. I really personally like these books. I think Listen to My Trumpet was my favorite. What was your favorite? Hope you enjoyed both books. Bye.